The packaging design process in 5 steps. 5. Collect feedback. Before you 100% decide on your packaging design, make sure to run it by both key stakeholders and people who have never heard of or used your product. Even if it's just your neighbor across the street, people not closely associated with your product will notice things you never did. Consider asking them, what does this product do? Who is supposed to buy this product? What is the one key message you get when you look at this packaging? Their answers to these questions will help you determine if the packaging is communicating what you want it to. If it is not, go back and figure out what you can change.